Hi, it's Ronnie, and welcome to my channel and to Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. And if you'd like to see the layouts on Instagram, it's hashtag 30DSCBL7. And this is the sketch we're using today. And it's a gorgeous sketch, and it's by Elsie Robinson, I think her last name is. And she did it for the Hip Kit Club. I am going to scrap this picture of my son and his wife, and the paper I'm using is from Echo Park, and it's called Rustic Elegance, and it's for a wedding. And as you can tell, theirs was they had their theme more rustic. He has blue jeans on with the faded in the front and everything. So when I seen this, I'd already bought a different collection, but I had to get this to go with some of their photos. My plan was to put that photo straight down on the pink and to just use it. But when I was getting ready to do it, I seen the paper was bigger than what I thought it was. I thought, I think I can put another paper there. So I got one from my Illustrated Faith Christmas. The back sides of all them sheets, I think, are plain. And, well, they're various colors. But I thought, I know I seen the color similar to his shirt. So, yeah, the back side's got ornaments on it, but the front side matches his shirt pretty good. Now, my video is shorter than it would be because I cut out all the fussy cutting. But, yeah, I'm ignoring the flowers down in the bottom left-hand corner because with the sketch there are flowers in the bottom corner. So this paper took care of it for me. A lot of times I ignore it. A lot of times I'll cover it up. But if I can figure out something to do and use it, I go ahead and use it. But it's not my first go-to when I'm doing a layout. This paper has the biggest flowers. I mean, there aren't that many that small. So I'm putting them around the photo, and then I'm going to remember I forgot my doily. And of course I used that really sticky foam tape from the Dollar Tree. So I had to struggle a little bit to pull that up. And I made sure it was going to fit, and I wasn't going to have to pull more up before I put adhesive on the doily. And yeah, it fit in there, so it's about right. I thought, as bad as you were about remembering that big doily, you better go ahead and put the small one on there so you don't forget it. So that was my next goal. And I don't think I really have any more after this. There isn't a whole lot to this layout, which is good because I was kind of getting behind. Well, I was running neck and neck. Let's put it that way. And this one has to go up today. Two have already gone up. It was one of those days where using sketches. Yeah, those are the ones that do me under. If I could just do the layout and add it to another challenge or hop or something, I'd be doing fine. But when they use sketches, you can't combine hardly. So yeah, you don't get to do it near as often if you've got a sketch for everything. But as soon as I saw this sketch, I thought of this picture, and I thought, I am going to get it done. It's only been a few years. So yeah, I'm finally getting it done. But I've only had this collection for about a year, so yeah, I was going to go ahead and use that other collection, but this one is so much better. I might be able to combine some of it though, since they're both Echo Park. And oh, I'm putting foam tape under different ones. And a couple of the ones I planned on putting foam tape on and forgot. And there was one flower that wasn't even glued down. I guess I just slid it under there testing it. And yeah, when I went to pick up my layout, I noticed it. But yeah, so I need to keep track of what I put glue on and what I don't. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I noticed it while I was editing the video. I took out a couple things, not much, like the fussy cutting. But I noticed that when I picked the paper up once, there was a flower under it. And you don't know how I hunted for that in that bowl. I knew it was there, and then I finally decided I was mistaken. And yeah, it's underneath the layout, and it could have went right there in that bottom right corner of the photo. Instead, I made do with some little odds and ends that were cut out. Now that packet I just pulled out, it came in a kit, oh, a long time ago. And I did not notice till I pulled it out to use it, those enamel dots are not enamel dots. They're like lead. Seriously. I don't, and painted lead. That's they're really heavy, all of them. Well, heavy compared to enamel dots. However, I'm not going to worry about them rusting because I've had them a long time and they haven't done it yet. So I think they'll be all right. But I did watch a documentary the other day that said it's really hard for lead to deteriorate, that it's pretty much there to stay. So I'll just cross my fingers that they're actually lead. But while I'm putting all this stuff on here, I am putting a little tag that says it's our day, and I'm going to double check the date. And then forever in my heart, and it has a heart going up there in the left-hand corner. But down there below, you'll see a link to Christy's Facebook group, to Christina's Redefine Creative shop on Facebook, because she does a live video every day. And then oodles and oodles more layout inspiration on the YouTube channels and on Instagram. So I don't know how many's down there. I haven't counted, but there's a lot. But it just goes to show how much Scrappy Buddies like to do things together. May not be able to go to crops, but we can do stuff together still. And y'all are joining in by watching and making comments. Thank you so much for them too. But if you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. And if you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And those of you already are, thank you so much. But look, I got another one of those Heidi Swap words on there. Yeah, so proud, so proud. I might get them worn down sooner or later. I've always liked them. That's why I had so many. Where was I at? I don't know. I was talking and got sidetracked. But yeah, that's it. That's my layout. And isn't that pretty with the wood grain? And I've got it up there knowing that the other wood grain is going vertically and these are going horizontally. But I used it anyway. But yeah, that's it. That's my layout. I hope you all have a happy, scrappy week and weekend. Bye.